Today we will be reviewing the Rodzon Fidget Cube. It has 6 things on it. It has a joystick that just presses down a bit and moves around. It has 5 red buttons that you can click. It has this metal ball that you can just move around. It has 3 gears that move independently of each other. It has this switch, and it has this disc that can rotate, but not all that well. And it has this thing. It's kind of hard to see, but it's like an imprint for your thumb if you just want to rub something. It's for people with depression and anxiety that just really need something to do. So there's just this that just has all of this stuff on it. It measures at 1.3 by 1.3 by 1.65 inches. So you could put it in your pocket. It says you could use it at work or at school, but I'm pretty sure no one wants to be that person who just keeps clicking their pen, because that's annoying, so maybe not all that much in an actual public environment, but yeah. So this is the Rodzon Fidget Cube.